While pursuing my PGDM at VBS, I was truly impressed by its curriculum, which I later found out is reviewed and updated in consultation with an advisory committee called the Board of Studies, which consists of various industrial experts and academicians with rich experience from different domain areas. The PGDM course covered key tools, concepts, and analytical skills in each specialization taught to us through lectures, case study discussions, and live projects. Guest lectures by industrial professionals provided us the much needed exposure to broaden our horizon and prepared us for today's world of work, while interaction sessions and mock interviews with our alumni mentor sharpened our interview-facing and communication skills.
The curriculum of the PGDM course at VBS is set in such a way which helped me stand out among students from IIMs, Symbiosis, IBS, Great Lakes, KJ Somaya, Xavier's Institute of Management, TAPME, and other reputed institutes to get selected at this prestigious job. I can truly say that the 2 years I spent at VBS has helped me achieve all the objectives I had set for myself.
PGDM course at VBS offers a curriculum that is kept up to date with the changing trends in the industry. The knowledge of analytics, along with specialization-based certifications, guest lectures by experts, live projects, and internships that are part of the program, all contributed in making me industry ready.
One of the highlights of studying at VBS is that it offers the latest specialization with the updated curriculum to their students. Additionally, the Association of Indian Universities has granted equivalence to VBS PGDM, making it equal to an MBA course offered at an Indian university. Thus, our program is a professionally recognized degree instead of just a diploma, and this truly benefits the students to secure good placements and even those opting for higher studies.
The curriculum of PGDM course at Vivekanand Business School is designed at the Board of Studies meeting and consultation with various experts from different fields and covers relevant subjects like data visualization, R programming, and Python, and additional industry recognized certificates like Diploma in Banking and Finance from Indian Institute of Banking and Finance, which gave me an advantage at the time of my placement. All of this has helped me enhance my skills and laid the foundation of my career.
The PGDM course offered at VBS provides its students with tremendous knowledge about crucial management aspects. The faculty use real live-world examples and cases during lectures, and this connection showed us how the concept learned in classes can be applied while making business decisions. They also encouraged us to participate in various activities such as debates, alumni interaction sessions, student competitions, etc. The institute also organized various seminars like Kalpana, Winlactics, Gupshup with Shikshak that gave us an opportunity to interact with distinguished speakers having rich experience and much needed insights into the corporate world.